Welcome to Qualvision. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set camera login password on Qualvision NVRs. Stay with us. What is camera login password? When we add an IPC discovered by the NVR, the IPC will let the NVR use the specified password first, which is the login password. Before you start, you need to know the protocol used to connect the camera and the protocol password, and make sure the camera has been activated. Go to Main menu. Select Channel, IP Channel, Protocol Password. Click Edit button. Select the protocol to be modified, set the password, and click OK. Click Search to discover IPCs. Adding a Qualvision IPC will use the Qualvision protocol password. Qualvision cameras automatically adapt Qualvision protocol and protocol specified password. Adding a third-party IPC will use the OnVIF protocol password. Third-party cameras automatically adapt OnVIF protocol and protocol specified password to complete the addition. You should pay attention. If the camera connection status shows an identification error, you'll need to manually change the password again. Thank you for watching. Secure our life through Qualvision.